Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing another round of Demonology. Let's get started. The first episode we're going to do let's get started. Okay guys, we started. We're gonna grab the spirit box and never think it actually works. But we can try. At least we can try pretty quick. But it normally never works. But I was playing a game of Geology. I wasn't filming it today, but whatever. So I don't see it going off there. I don't know where that. I think I knocked that out. It's not going off. So it doesn't look like it's in this area. I don't think it is. I don't know, guys. No. Basement. I do not know. I'm scared to go in here because I don't know. Did you find it? It's right beside here. No. Oh my gosh. So it's this room. Alright. That's cool. You know what's in this room. We'll leave that there and we'll go. We're gonna go get the flower pot. Yeah, I'm gonna come back for that. Gonna get the flower pot and I don't know, but I just ran into the wall. My game started glitching. Yeah, I actually figured out how to film it again. My game was glitching really bad. Or it might be. I think it's this one because the lights were like going. So I don't know. Should we do the show yourself thing? I think. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I think it's this one because it has to be this room. It was going really crazy. Or it might be the hallway. I don't know. It's going really crazy in here. Leave it there, and then we can go back home. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm actually freaking out. It has to be. I'm actually freaking out. I can't move. You guys should see. You gotta go get flashlight. so I can find the thing in the basement. And I can... Actually, no. We still have to go. We're gonna do this. Okay. I'm gonna go to the flashlight. Okay. We gotta go check out all the rooms. I'm freaking out. I think this is the colder. No, this one's colder. This one's at 15. When I go in here, it's 16. It could be the basement. It's the basement survives. I'm really scared. It is probably the girls' room. Oh, down here was 13. It's the basement. Guys, it's really sketchy down here. What was that? I did not like that. I don't know what was. So guys, tragically the lights don't work down here. No, I do not like that one bit. I don't. Shaking in your life. Something happened. I don't know what it was. Yeah. Guys, I feel like I'm going to scream. It's so loud. And it's freaking me out. I don't know what to do. I can't leave. I think it's on a hunt. Hey guys, give me a sec. I'm scared. Guys. I do not want to go back in there. I don't. I really don't. I think it's Shadow. I didn't get it, but I really don't want to do that again alone. So, thank you guys for watching today's video. Maybe I'll get one of my friends to play this with me instead, because I really don't want to do it alone. But peace out. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye. Hope you guys liked the video. Bye.